and welcome to this video. My name is Maria Lynn and I'm a reflexologist and a baby therapist, and today I'm in my kitchen because I want to show you how to make the best massage oil to reflexology. It's the oil I use myself in my clinic, and it's very simple. There are 3 ingredients and it's very easy to make, so I will show you how to do it. All you need to make this oil is some beeswax and some olive oil, the same one that you use in your kitchen, and some Sheabutter. All the ingredients that I use is organic, and of course you need some container, and I prefer a glass. You also need some tools. You need a pot, you need a grater and a whisk, and also a ball of glass. So this is the only thing you need, and let's get started. First, you start to grate your beeswax on the fine side of the grater. So you get these small pieces because it's much easier to melt. Now we're going to mix the 3 ingredients, and for 1 each spoon of beeswax you have to put 3 spoons of olive oil. I'm always making a very large portion because I use a lot in my clinic. Then you have to add a little bit of the Sheabutter because it makes the oil very smooth. And now I don't have so much left, but it's also 1 spoon like the beeswax and 3 spoons of olive oil. Now I have mixed all the ingredients, and now it needs to melt. And I do that by filling this pot with water and place the ball into the water. This is a waterless oil, so you need to be very patient because it can take a while for the beeswax to melt. And the first time I made this oil, I just thought I did something wrong because it didn't melt. But it will melt. You just have to be patient, and it's also very important that the water not start to boil, because the oil it's not good for it to boil. So now we have this clear oil, and you just have to put it into your container and let it cool off. And just one tip, when you're cleaning all these things up, use boil some water to use, because the beeswax is very hard to get up things, so then you can use the boiled water, then it will melt off. Now you know how to make this very nice massage oil for reflexology, and if you like essential oils, you can add some like lavender, and I also put some herbs in my oil sometimes for when my kids get mosquito bites, for example. But if you want to learn more about that, feel free to write below and I will tell you more.